Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'm gonna let you guys know how can you make cash advance with DBS credit card, and is there a set limit for such an advance. So in order to understand this, you have to follow the steps. Now, DBS credit card holder can make cash advance, but there are some limitations and fees to be considered. First of all, it's a cash advance limit. The cash advance limit is capped at $5,000 and there is no minimum withdrawal amount. However, the DBS may determine a lower limit at its discretion. Now, talking about the daily withdrawal, the maximum amount that can be withdrawn from a DBS POSP ATM is in a day is $3,000. Here you could go to this link, that is dbs.com/sg/personal credit card services or cash advance. When you go to this link, you could find out the information such as this. Now here you could see that before you begin with the procedure, you could go ahead and read about this all in details. If you want to go with this, then click the apply now button and start with the procedure. So that's how it works. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.